How to make reels on Instagram. If you have ever wondered how to create reels on Instagram, I'm going to show you the quickest way and how to create an amazing quality reels on Instagram. So we're just going to tap on it. We're going to open our Instagram and we're going to click this plus sign here below. After that, you should see an option below the story. It says here reel. So we're just going to go there. Now, there are a lot of ways that you can create reels. You have here camera. If you also have here drafts as an option. So basically, these are the ones that you have already started, but you haven't finished. You can click on that. You also have their templates and you also have their made for you. But for this one, I'm going to show you how to create viral reels or trending reels. So we're going to click templates here. So this is going to be the easiest way for you to do, guys. I want you to try this out. Now we're going to scroll down here in the trending section and we're going to create something. So say for example this template here. I like this one, so I'm just going to tap on it. And here you can basically start adding media. So I'm going to click that one. And you have here different kinds of media below. So basically you can add all of them. So I'm going to click this here and I'm just going to open that particular album actually. All right, this one. And basically I'm just going to start choosing photos. All right, there you go. So I've added all the photos. I'm just going to click next and we're going to try and see this in action. Okay, so that's how it looks. And then we're going to click next here. And once you're satisfied, you can click next once again. And basically you can click here to edit a cover. It's up to you what you think fits best. So say for example, this is the one that I like. I'm going to click done here. And there are a lot of other options here available. You can tag people, add topics, location, reminder, and everything. And yeah, in my case, I'm just going to leave that to you guys to explore. And I'm going to click share. So we're going to see here, share to reels. There you go. So yep, congratulations everybody. That is how you're going to make reels on Instagram.